y'all? It's your girl, Miss T. Shout out to all my old subs and my new subs. I appreciate y'all for coming through and kicking it with me. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel where you get recipes, news, and reviews. But today, y'all getting some fitness. That's right, I'm getting ready to go on another hard dry fast. My daughter just graduated high school, so we're going to Jamaica to celebrate. Yeah, so I gotta get Jamaica fine. So I can squeeze into that tiny little swimsuit, you know what I'm saying? So, I don't know if you guys have checked out my hard dry fast video in the past, but y'all might want to check that out. It was a lot of good information in there, and I made some pretty good progress. I bottomed out at about 145 pounds, down from 153, and I'm actually still in that range, give or take a pound, maybe 146 or so, but I did pretty good keeping the weight off. However, I could stand to lose about 5 pounds or so, you know, just so I can look extra fine in that swimsuit, you know what I'm saying? So before we start, I'm gonna go ahead and do a weigh-in, check my inches, and then we'll get into this thing. Let's do it. Alright y'all, my last hard dry fast, I bottomed out at about 145 pounds. I think I'm still looking pretty good. I think I'm still in the range. We gonna see. Alright y'all. What does it say?
140 something.
140 something?
Yes.
I think it says about 145 pounds, and you know what that means. I maintained my weight. I maintained my weight, y'all. That's pretty good. And I bet it's probably even a little less because I'm wearing like heavier clothes. So, I'm gonna do my inches real quick. Last time I think I was 34 or 34 and a half at the end of the last hard dry fast. So don't y'all let nobody tell y'all that this hard dry fasting doesn't work, because it definitely does. It definitely does, and I've kept my weight off. So what we got there?
134.
134. 34?
No, 133 and a half.
33 and a half? 34. I think it's 34. 34?
It's 133 and a half. Well,
This is
like,
right, this is my belly button. Oh. Well, that's about 34. Okay, at any rate, again, I've maintained my weight in my inches. So tonight I'm gonna go ahead and do a little snake juice just to get very hydrated and prep myself for the 3-day dry fast. And then tomorrow I'll jump right into it. Wish me luck, y'all. It's about 6 a.m. For whatever reason, I am like wide awake, all jacked up. Can't get back to sleep. So I don't know if that's a side effect. I don't know. I'm not weak at all yet. Not weak yet. Still feeling pretty good. So when I woke up this morning, I did test my urine for ketones. And what I'm finding is that I am just in like the trace amounts. Last time, I was more like this in the second day. So I don't know if your body might build up a tolerance for the dry fasting. I'm not sure. I'm going to test it again tomorrow to see if it gets any darker. I don't know. That's something I should definitely look up. So I'm going to go ahead and weigh myself and measure myself, see where I'm at. We are, okay, here we go. Still at 145. Wow.
Still at 34.
Still at 34. Good morning, family. I hope y'all doing good today. It is officially about 48 hours after I started the dry fast. I'm wide awake. It's about 5 a.m. I'm just jacked up. I don't know why. I am a little weak, not very much. Not about to pass out or anything. It's all good. So I did test my urine this morning for ketones. And I am about, let's see. In between there and there. So finally seeing some progress as far as that goes. So I'm finally in the large range. Maybe it took 24 hours for the hard dry fast to kick in, but I'm getting there. So I'm going to go ahead and weigh myself, measure myself, see where I'm at. Wish me luck. About 32 and a half or so, so down an inch and a half. Okay, so let's see what we're working with here. Looks like about 141. Yeah, about 141, guys. So down about 4 pounds after the first 48 hours. Couldn't ask for more. Don't laugh at my holes in my socks, y'all. So guys, I'm back from Jamaica. I had a wonderful time, lots of fun in the sun. There was a whole bunch of cuties running around the island trying to holler at your girl. Not really, but in my mind they were. Y'all see I got my gear, I'm repping. Yes, and check it out. Your girl was out there thicker than a Snicker, you know, a shapely Snicker, but still. Anyway, guys, let's get into this summary. A couple things that I want to point out about this hard dry fast experience the second time around. As you guys saw in this video, I didn't lose any weight the first 24 hours. And I had to take it upon myself to look up my old hard dry fast video. And I actually lost 1 pound, 1 inch. So what's the difference here? It had to be the prep. In the first video, I drank snake juice for 24 hours before I started the hard dry fast. This time around, I had a glass and I had a big old Philly cheesesteak the night before I started. I know that's bad, but yeah, I think if you want to get the most out of this experience, you need to prep properly. So the snake diet, drinking the snake juice is the best way to go. I don't know how much you care, but if you want to get the most out of it, a pound or two can make a big difference in weight loss. So there's that. And then there's also the fact that I had higher cognitive function. Someone in my last video asked me about that. And I was like, you know, I really couldn't tell. I didn't pay attention, but this time around, I did notice that I was able to do a lot more on a lot less. I only got about 4 or 5 hours of sleep both days, but I wasn't tired. I was actually more alert and had more energy than I normally do. So, another advantage of hard dry fasting. And that's all I got, guys. If you have any questions or comments about this experience, please leave them down below. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more fitness vlogs, and I will see you next time. Peace.